There's so much more that meets the eye when it comes to studying Mandarin, and being able to share and discuss study experiences can also be a very important part of learning process. Hopefully, you're going to find Lesson 2's vocabulary very well suited to just this type of discussion. Now that you've got this new vocab freshly in your mind, and before we listen to the dialogue, let's talk a little about some of the twists and turns that make every foreign language so unique and special, namely grammar. 比如说 How do we say, for example, in Chinese? It's 比如说 I love eating sweets, for example, cake and apple pie. 我爱吃甜点，比如说蛋糕和苹果派。Although, you may also hear 譬如说 and 比方说 in different Chinese-speaking areas. Let's practice more. 中文有很多从英文来的词，比如说咖啡、可乐、汉堡。There are many long words in Chinese that derive from English, such as coffee, Coca-Cola, and hamburger. 多 verb, 少 verb. When you try to suggest somebody should do something more or less, put 多 or 少 before the verb. 比方说 if your friend looks very tired, you can say 你应该多睡一点, which means you should sleep a bit more. If you know your friend has some health issues, but he's eating too much, you can say 你少吃一点 to him, which means you should eat a bit less. How about Chinese is hard? You should practice more. Correct. 中文很难，你应该多练习一点。还是 means still in English. It's used to express that some things are going to remain the same no matter what. 我每天都练习写汉字，可是还是会忘记。I practice writing Chinese characters every day, but I still forget. How about, I've been to many places in China, but I still like Shanghai the most. 我去过中国很多地方，但是我还是最喜欢上海。One more example. 这个问题他说了半天，我还是不懂。He explained this question for a while, but I still didn't understand. 会的 When you want to reassure others, you'll use this 会的 pattern. It usually appears with the adverb 一定, which means definitely. 比如说 the English sentence, tomorrow's test, you'll definitely ace it, is translated into 明天的考试，你一定会考得很好的 in Chinese. One more example. 没关系，多练习，你们会知道怎么说中文的。No worries. Practice more. You'll know how to speak Chinese